I don't know what I'm missing. A brain. Hey guys, what's up? Alicia here. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I really don't know. I definitely want to moisturize my hair. For starters, what I like to do is start off with some warm water. As you guys can see in this clip, how I warmed up this water in this bottle. You're gonna want to do this for about 15 to 30 seconds, constantly rotating it around in the water as you see me doing here. Failed to mention that this water also has some aloe vera juice in there. I'm gonna put some on the palm of my hand. I'm actually going to be taking some shea butter. I'm going to be melting that in between my fingertips. And I'm also going to apply that to my hair. I'm actually going to put all of my hair up, but we're gonna just work this in section right now. And I'm not combing all the way to the ends of my hair. And I have here some flaxseed gel that I made. So I'm going to use that to help slick my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is it. This simple but yet quick and easy remoisturizing process on an old twist out. I just so happen to put mine into like a little miniature puff. I love it. I think it's really cute, honestly. It's really cute. Like, I can wear this out, but I don't have anywhere to go, so but in the house because we're in quarantine. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any other content. Much love to you. Love, peace, and happiness.